In this video I'm going to share with you how I clean my camp dishes when I'm, well, camping in the snow. So here's literally the snow. Hello, there's the snow. Yeah, so I'm out in the woods. There, just slept in the evening. Hopefully the camera doesn't die soon, but what I do is just tear off 2 squares of toilet paper. Don't be wasteful because once you run out of TP, you're out of TP. And I make sure I rinse this out. I just begin swishing around. And I don't have my glove on because I do not want to get food in here. And I do as good a job as I can. Because not only do I want to get the food waste out, I want to get the threads completely dried. Because when they freeze solid, that's going to suck. So I've had to use a couple sets of squares of TP, but keeping your food container clean is really important to your health, so you're not puking or having massive diarrhea and intestinal issues. That is the last thing you want out here. And that is literally my cleaning process. I do not bring food that sticks to the container or to my fork. I did bring lasagna more than once, and man, that sticks to the fork, and that is a pain to clean. So I do not bring food that sticks to the container. Some people ask me, oh, I got rice on there, or pasta that sticks on. I just don't do it, simply because it causes you so much trouble. I mean, I've got my green scrubby in here, got my sponge. But if you're green scrubby, you start having to use your green scrubby or your blue scrubby because this scratches, green does. And you're having to do that, this thing's going to get loaded up with food and it heats and cools down, There's no way to get this clean out in the winter that I know of without a lot of water and soap. So don't set yourself up for having to clean food containers where it's a big risk, because you got to think, man, if I clean some food and just set it on my porch and just let it sit there, freeze thaw, then would you eat out of that? Oh, no, you wouldn't. That's gross. And if you do, oof, more power to you. That is how I clean my dishes in the winter. The whole goal is I don't bring food that sticks to the container, and for my freeze-dried, I'll eat it out of the bag, so I just throw the bag away. For long expeditions, I test every freeze-dried food, test it at home, see if I can rinse it out. Like so I'll make the freeze-dried in my food thermos. This isn't a food thermos, but I make it in the thermos, and I hot water at home, go through the whole process, and I test it out, and then eat it for dinner. 1, to test to make sure it agrees with my stomach, but 2, to make sure I can get the container clean by just pouring water in there, swirling it around, swirling it, drinking it, swirling it, drinking it, and then check it. If it is a food or freeze-dried or whatever that sticks to the container, yet you do not want that, because how are you going to clean that? I mean, you're going to have to bring rolls of toilet paper or paper towels, and you got more trash. You just don't want to do that. So test all your food that doesn't stick, or figure out a way to make it not stick. Test it all at home, because when you're out here, forget it. You don't want to do that. Oh. Ooh, it is nice outside. Check that out. So there you go. That is my process for cleaning, is I set myself up for not having to clean in the first place other than minimal wiping out. My name's Aaron Linsdow. I'm a polar explorer and professional adventurer. Please check out links below in the description to my books, Antarctic Tears, Lost at Windy Corner, Adventure Expedition 1, where I talk about things like food safety, food handling, and managing your dishes. The most crucial knots to know, Jackson Old Guy, Crucial Knots to Know, 2024 Total Eclipse Guides, and please check out my show, Antarctic Tears, in the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you can check out more fun info like this.